Welcome back. Today's video is about how to move objects in 3D viewport and the shortcut keys you can use. This video is completely beginner friendly. This is the default scene you see when you open the Blender. For today's tutorial, I won't be using light and camera, so I'm going to delete them. You'll notice the keys and mouse click I'm using displayed on the screen, so you can easily follow step by step. Now let's work with this cube. As you can see, it is highlighted, which means the cube is selected. On the left side of your 3D viewport, you'll find several tools. For this tutorial, we use the Move tool. When you select the Move tool, 3 arrows appear. These arrows represent the 3 axes: red for x-axis, green for y-axis, and blue for the z-axis. To move your object along the x-axis, place your cursor on the red arrow, hold the left mouse button and drag. You'll see the red line is highlighted, which means the object is restricted to moving only along the x-axis. The same applies to the y-axis with the green arrow. If you want to cancel the current action, simply right-click and the object will return to its last position, and the z-axis with the blue arrow. Now let's look at the shortcut keys for moving objects. All you have to do is press G. This allows you to move the objects freely in all directions. If you want to move it along the x-axis, press X after pressing the G. To move it along the y-axis, press G and then Y. In the same way, press G and then Z to move it along the z-axis. Now let's go back to the Move tool. Here you'll notice 3 colored planes. These planes also represent the axis. But here is the difference. If you want to move the object, just click and drag the axis arrow. This object will stick to the axis only. Let me add a plane and move the cube above it so you can clearly see how this works. As you can see, the object is now above the plane and it sticks to the plane surface. Now I wanted to move the cube to the corner of the plane. To do this, we could move it along the x-axis first and then along the y-axis. But instead of doing that, we'll use the colored planes. Notice the blue plane here. It represents the z-axis. The important thing is that it restricts movement along the z-axis. The cube won't move up or down. Let me show you. If you click and drag the blue plane, you'll see 2 lines highlighted, which means object will move along the x and y axis at the same time, but not along the z axis. Let me show you the location transform panel so you can understand this more clearly. When I move the object, you'll notice both the x and y location values are changing, while the z axis stays the same. This is because the movement is restricted to the plane. The same principle applies to the other colored planes as well. And finally, you'll see the circle in the middle of the object. If you click and drag this circle, the object will move freely in all directions without being limited to the single axis. There is one more way we can move objects while keeping them aligned to a plane or an axis. In the viewport, click on Z to switch to the top view. Now, if you move the cube, it will restrict from moving along the z-axis. The same applies when you switch the front or side views. The movement will be limited accordingly. I hope this video helps you understand how to move objects in Blender more clearly. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.